Welcome to the Web Builder How-To video series, adding your own products to your skin site. On your website's control panel, click Products. Then click Add Products. This will give you the tool to add your own product to your own website. First type in the product name and product description. You can then upload up to 4 product images. Select the end user price range, the theme. You can add your selling prices across 5 price breaks, the category you want it to appear in, and the colors that your product is available in. Hold down the control button when selecting more than one color option. As a reminder, there's also an area where you can add in your supplier's details. Once you've added all the product information, click Save. Your own product has now been added to the website. You can add as many products as you want to your own website. Thank you for watching.